The second part, we will teaching about what is the merge. Okay, so back to here, we will create the data frame 3. So the data frame 3 sorry. Data frame 3 will use the data frame. Oh, but this time we will not use the color. We just use A, B, C here. A, B, C. Use the brick. 大括号。好 ，then 我没有用那个 index 了哈。然后呢，我要一个4 ，then I want the data frame 4. So I will change here. 但不一样，我没有用那个，我又要用多一个 ID 哈，这边补一下哈，多一个 ID， 多一个 column 叫 ID。1有2，等于3。I give an extra column called ID here. No, perhaps you forget a comma. Yeah, I forget a comma here. Okay, the other one, data frame 2. Also, we have the same ID here, but it's not A, just like D, 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 D. But this time it's D3, D4, D5, E3, E4, E5. Then F. F3, F4, F5. And because it is merge. One more data frame. Fine. We can copy this part and to do some device. For example, I want ID is the same, but now this part we only two. One is for G6, G7, G8. And this part is H6, H7, H8. Now I will use the merge. So this is the result 3. Pandas.merge data frame 3 and data frame 4, comma, on ID. Execute. It will be just like this. Please pay attention. Compare, right? You see, if you use the concat, you have to extra break. 就是你用 concat 还要再加一个中括号 You need the extra break. But if you use the merge, you do not use a break. You just comma. but merge only for 2 data set. Okay, so merge only for 2 data set. Contact could be put more than 2. So merge only for 2 data set. 好，那先写的在左边，后写的在右边。So merge this left and right and on. 好，还有一个 on means based on， 就是和 based on which attribute。好，这个 on 就是说 on which attribute because we use the on ID, it means based on ID. So the ID here is 01, so G6 belongs to G01. So G6 will belongs to 看一下哦，3、4是这两个嘛，对不对？好，那我这个 D3是 belongs D01， 那它这个 D3就会是在 0这一排，好 01这一排，你对应它哈，这个是 align your ID， 好 align your ID， 所以 so merge only 2 data set， 你只能3、4，好，你看到如果 I want to use the 3 data set, it will have some problem. For example, if I want data 1, data 4, data 5, it will have a value because it only have 2 data set. But if I want to combine to 3 data set, what can we do? If we want to combine 3, 所以这个是不 work 的哈。如果 if we want to combine 3, we use the concat. We only can use the concat. Okay. If want to more than 2 data sets. Use the concat. 只能用 concat. For example, 我们现在用 result 4，我们要把它合并，就是 concat. Remember, concat 这边要用什么 break 啊？这边我们就是用，我们就把 data frame 1 data frame 2，我们把3、4、5并起来就好了。4、5 concat 没有讲就是值的合并嘛。好，那你 concat 之后呢，你就会是这样。It's just like this. This is the concat. Because you have ID. 那如果我今天要另外一种 concat 5，我这里的 axis 等于 1， because default is 0， 那就会长得像这样子哦。这边就是不断的在往右边增加，不断的在往右边增加。好，那我们示范不这么多哈，就让同学们知道就可以了。So the other parts I want you to pass the screenshot first. First result 3. Result 3. The point is merge， 就这两个的 merge based on ID， 因为你有 ID 嘛 ，merge on ID 哈，一样。你的结果应该是这边哈 ，merge。Okay, so please 3 merge 2 data sets。好，这边我们就插入 merge。 这边是两个资料集哈 ，we merge and please screenshot your name and the result merge to data set 4 contact for data set contact 3 data sets X6 就是 default。好，我们就这样就可以了。就是这个 result for， 这样就可以了。OK， screenshot， it will just like this. OK， so I'm waiting for you. 好，我会等你。